Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. So this one is the Overland Luxury Group 4. Has the Macintosh sound system, which is actually really good. Panoramic sunroof. Just everything you'd ever need. I'm running a bit late, so I'm going to try to make this a little shorter. Spent the night with it, so I've gotten used to it. Let's see. Push this button up here. It's your massage. You can do waterfall, low extend. Man, that's actually really nice. Let's do that. You got snow, sand, and mud. Rock, which I'm pretty sure you have to be in neutral. Shift 4 low. Hold on. There it is. And then you can enter rock mode. I see. There we go. All right. Here is your main page. You have Android Auto, wirelessly, which is huge. I have an Android, so that's huge to me. Not many cars have it wirelessly. Your apps, you do have ambient lighting. You can sit there and change where the colors go, and you can also sync them if you so desire. Without further ado, let's go for a drive. Oh yeah, virtual rearview mirror. .3.6 Pentastar V6. Again, familiar with the drivetrain. My mother has it in her 2011 Durango, or the motor, I should say, not the drivetrain. Sitting here tossed on which way I go, but whatever. If I'm late, I'm late. You can hear it actually does have a really good sound, and I'm not sure if you caught it or not. Maybe not because of the sun glare. But when you get to red line, the RPM gauge flashes red. I think the first time I noticed it do it, when I first drove one of these, I said that's pretty cool, especially in your manual modes. This thing is comfortable. Jeep absolutely stepped up their game with this. I mean, this is a good car. It's not just, oh yeah, it's good, it's nice enough for a Jeep. This is just nice. It's nice, and this isn't even the top of the line. This is the Overland. I mean, above this is your Summit and Summit Reserve. And the exhaust actually does sound really good. I didn't expect it to sound this good. I don't know, guys. I definitely think that Jeep, with this launch of the Grand Cherokee L, Mopar in general, Stellantis, it was FCA, they proved that things got dated. You know, look at the Challenger, the Charger. They've been pretty much the same for years, almost over a decade at this point. They've been pretty much the same. Same was true with the Grand Cherokee. Not a lot was changed. Matter of fact, they were getting old. They were getting really dated. This, it's so good, it almost makes up for the lack of development. You know, and to be frank with you guys, if every 10 years Mopar decides, hey, let's do something different, and it's this big of a difference, I'm okay with it. I am perfectly okay with it. Do I think in 5-6 years time this will start to feel dated? I think just barely. Now we're in an interesting time with the shift to hybrid and electric and everything. So if anything's going to feel dated, it's the powertrain. But interior, creature comforts, everything like that, I think they've done so much of an improvement that instead of playing catch up, they were like, all right, let's put ourselves 2 years in the future. Gives us time to do another leap forward. You know, because the previous Grand Cherokee, before the L, obviously now the new Grand Cherokee uses very much this styling. It's just a two-row. I think now that they've launched this, the previous Grand Cherokee wasn't all that much of a game changer when it launched. This is just, you have to look at it and say, wow, that's a Jeep. I never thought Jeep could be this nice. And this car allowed them to launch the Grand Wagoneer and get taken seriously because people saw, hey, Jeep can do something that's actually pretty good. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.